The event attracted numerous distinguished guests, including members of the Rotaract Club of Makindye, the mother club led by the president-elect, as well as Honorable Sarah Nkongwe, former member of parliament for Luengo district, alongside club members, friends and well-wishers.
I, Salisa, I do solemnly swear that I will accept to serve as president of the Rotaract Club of Makindye, and I will uphold the Constitution and bylaws, so help me God.
Signifies that henceforth now you are the #1 brand ambassador of this Rotaract Club, and at all formal and informal fellowships of this Rotaract Club, may it be known that you are now the 24th president.
President-elect Sam Sali outlined his key priorities for the year, with a strong focus on supporting underprivileged communities.
As a president, I have my core team, like the projects. We are looking at reviving projects, like we're having a project from Mukono. It's called that area of Buzindere. We want to revive and give hope to that community as we serve above ourselves. As a president, also I look at very many collaborations to other many Rotaract clubs and the Rotary clubs, both in District 9213 and 9214.
Chief guest at the event, Past Assistant Governor Ronald Kawadwa, emphasized the importance of the 4 Ps in leadership and urged everyone to support the president throughout his leadership journey.
Sam is going to require a lot of support, financially and time. He's going to be away sometimes from Rotary events, but I know and I see his other members of the family have come. He's going to require you to support him. You see the things he wants to do.
Josephine Nava, the project's director for 2025-2026, highlighted the key initiatives the club will focus on, including support for the Buzindere Island community on Lake Victoria, hospitality activities and tree planting.
My name is Josephine from the Rotaract Club of Makindye. The project director for 2025-2026, and this year we are looking at supporting a community, an island in Buzindere. This island has a population of over 600 people. They are struggling with sanitation, so we are looking at doing a wash project for them. The community is quite big, 600 plus, but they are using only 1 pit latrine, and we don't think that is sustainable for such a community.
Various members, including the past president, congratulated the new president and expressed gratitude to everyone who has supported them throughout their journey, including Church of Uganda Family TV.
Thank you so much, family. Thank you for coming through. Highly appreciated. It has been a wonderful year of service as the Magic Year president. We have enjoyed service to the fullest. Many opportunities have come through. We have grabbed them and improved ourselves. We've done wonderful projects, and I believe we are making the world a better place. It doesn't end today. It starts today to build whatever we started, and we are hoping to do better in the Unite for Good year. Thank you everyone that has come through and supported us. Thank you so much, Family TV.
Emigisha Mase from the Rotaract Club of Makindye, and today we have installed our 27th president, President Sam Sali. A big congratulations goes out to him. And as a secretary-elect for the Unite for Good year 2025-2026, I say we are fulfilling the first goal of Rotaract, which includes professional and leadership skills.
The Rotaract Club of Makindye was inaugurated in 1998 by the Rotary Club of Makindye and has since been led by numerous presidents.